We recently launched FarmLoop, a free automatic printing system available to everyone. The system currently supports the Bambu Lab A-series printers, while versions for the X1 Carbon and P-series are coming soon. Users worldwide have already downloaded and implemented the system. However, the original process of hacking the Bambu system for automatic printing involved many steps and created challenges. To solve this, we invested significant resources in developing a web app that automates the entire process. This way, we eliminate hours of manual work with an app that respects your privacy. The journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. In this video, I'll walk you through our development process, demonstrate how to use the system, and look at the upcoming features in version 2.0. The classic hack that tricks Bambu Studio in printing multiple parts in one 3MF file involved 6 steps. Export the sliced 3MF, crack open the 3MF archive, dig out the G-code, copy-paste it as many times as needed, save the Frankenstein file, rezip everything into a new 3MF file. We thought, why not collapse all that into one single drag and drop? Drop in your 3MF file, choose the loop count, download, done. To make that happen, we built the FarmLoop app as a web app, so you never have to install or update anything, and it runs on every operation system you can throw at it. The 2 non-negotiable properties are 1. Privacy first, 0 data leaves your machine, and 2. Offline capable, works even in airplane mode. Very few web apps tick both boxes, which is why developing this was expensive. But we did it anyway. Let's have a look at how it works. I will head into our school community, grab the link tucked beside all our classes, and launch the FarmLoop app in the browser. Next, I will download the standard Benchy test file for the Bambu Lab A1. You can see the FarmLoop configuration is already set. We can slice it, export the 3MF file, and drag and drop it into the web app. Let's say we want 10 of these benches. Set a file name, and bam, your multiplied 3MF file is ready to go. As simple as that, all local, all in browser. Now our A1 can start kicking these off the build plate. And this is just the beginning. Of course, we're already working on the next version. The next big step will include tuning parameters like heat bed temperature, cooling time, etc. And it could take over adjustment of start and end G-codes for the pushing and lifting routine. Then you could just drop in your 3MF file, slice with standard configurations, and the app will give you full control over the FarmLoop modifications. That would be a dream. But before we can start dreaming, I need your help testing the current version. If you go to loop.3dfarmers.com, you can find the free version of this app, which allows you to generate your multiplied 3MF file up to a limited amount of loops. If you want the full version without a cap in loop count, you can join our school community, where you will find everything you need to start and grow your 3D printing business. Until then, happy looping, 3D farmers.